You know, if I tried one filling station, I gotta try the other one, right? This one's very good. I feel like the dog here was a little different. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. About you pedal your ass out of the road. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. So did not plan on making a food video today. I planned on going to Storm King Highway, which turned out to be closed, which turned out to be a nightmare, and you'll see that video. But you know, I'm coming home and I'm like, look, you made a video of what the hell about the filling station. Alrighty then. Alright, so now we're leaving the filling station at the market. You're gonna see a dude up here on the left with a flat. I actually drove past, turned around, and came back. I offered to you know, help him plug the tire, and that I had a compressor, but he said his buddy's already on his way, so if you can help, you know, you really should. But yeah, thoughts on the filling station at the 9W market. I liked it just as much as the other filling station. You see, I got the dog just with mustard. I don't know if I'm crazy or if they use two different dogs, but that one, it was just as good, if not better. Friggin' beautiful day out, high 60s. And we're just coming back to the Garden State. Would I recommend that filling station? Oh yeah, I recommend them both. They're good. And people I've been with have eaten there before, and they love the cheeseburger. Somebody had said something about a lobster roll. I'll have to look on the menu. And then if you go inside to the actual market, they make other food. So the filling station, you're gonna get like burgers, hot dogs, fries, beers, onion rings, like that kind of food. It's very good. Inside you can get desserts, pastries, muffins, already made meals, also good. It really is a cool place, and all when the weather's warm. So, and warm, I mean as warm as you could tolerate it, because there'll be bikes there 30-40 degrees. I'm not talking the elusive spandex Spartan out in its natural habitat, impeding traffic flow. No, I'm talking motorcycles too. They have a bikes and breakfast there. It'll be like 30 something degrees. There'll be bikes there. And look, you got a Paraglide Falcon, you have 9W. I mean, what more do you need? And motor Keikel. Speaking of which, the midlife crisis mobile here is getting a bath today. If you like my videos, if you give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. I looked the other day, I'm like, holy crap, I have 190 subscribers. How cool is that? Yin yang. there's a place up here. I don't know if I actually passed it already. I think it's like a sushi place or something. It's been here forever. And no, they're Indian. You have to be doing something right to be the only restaurant on 9W and Alpine and stay open that long. Yeah, I think I may have passed it. Now, when I was coming down this morning, these clowns were out of hand. I'm talking like taking up the road, friggin' wiggling their little tushies at everybody. I'm holding you up, look at my tushy. Still give him a lot of credit though, man. Must be in one hell of a shape to be friggin' out here coming up these hills and not getting off and walking the bike. I'm out riding my 10-speed with one girl in our group. Oh my God, what a friggin' good ride today was, even though I didn't think it was gonna be. I gotta get Hiram's. I've been going there for years, and I try not to eat a lot of processed foods after having colon cancer, so, but, you know, you gotta live a little, right? To me though, Hiram's is like the piece de resistance of hot dogs. And those onion rings, oh my lord. My lord. Child, make you call your mama and cry. But if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. My videos drop 3 p.m. Wednesday and Friday, and I get stuck behind cars a lot that will only do the speed limit. So if you'd be kind enough to come back next week and watch a video or two, or if you can even recommend a place, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, PA, I'm going to be doing a lot more solo trips, I think. I hope to see you again next week, friends.